When I work staff scheduling app, so let's just install it. So this is the app for your employee scheduling, time tracking, team messaging. Join more than 200,000 workplaces running on When I Work to reduce chaos, costs, and turnover with employee scheduling and time tracking for the modern workforce. When I Work is an employee scheduling app that does more than just save you time on scheduling. It also helps you improve communication, eliminate excuses, boost accountability among your staff, track time and attendance, and grow your business. So yeah, it's quite high in the all the charts of the software categories. It saves me 8 hours a week instead of texting back and forth all day. Our employees can use the app to switch shifts up, and all I have to do is approve the swap. Love it. So yeah, turn any device employee time clock. There is also like team managing, keep shifts running smoothly with tasks. So yeah, uh, just like a very cool app. If your business, if your company requires this employee scheduling options, this is definitely an app you can